Po' boy mission on. We out here chasing the catfish so we can make us a sandwich later on. Do a little catch and cook. Y'all come along. Guys, what I got here is just some double rigs. I got a 4-ounce sinker on the bottom and then double hooks above it. I'm just gonna bait them with night crawlers. Throw them out here, fish off the bottom, and put out a couple poles. I do have one punch bait pole I'll probably put out. But we're just looking for one fish this morning, really. One good fish is all we need for our sandwich. Then we're gonna go in, or after we catch that fish, I'm gonna go do a little graphing. I got some places I want to check out, do a little graphing. And then we'll go in and cook this sandwich. Maybe we'll get all this done today before it gets too hot on us. It's supposed to be a hot one today, so it's top of the morning right now, and it's pretty nice out here, but it's not gonna last long. Put a whole night crawler on like that right there. I don't really like to thread mine on. I like to let them hang a little bit so they can have a little bit of movement. I don't know if it matters or not, but in my head it does. So I just kind of do the gap of the hook a couple times like that right there. That way he can move a little bit. That's basically it. We'll drop her out there on the bottom. We're in some pretty deep water right here. It's about 50 foot. And it's showing some fish down there, so maybe we can make quick work of this. I don't know. Get this other one out over here. There's the fish, guys. Oh, this is the perfect one for our sandwich. It's a little channel cat, but he will be perfect. Make a perfect po' boy. That's exactly what we need right there. I'd rather have had a blue, but this right here will be just fine. He's the perfect size for a good po' boy. Perfect size. That'll work. I'm gonna get him on ice. I'm gonna reel these poles up. I'm finna spend about an hour and a half doing some grafting. Looking for some new places, catch some crappie, do a couple videos, and we'll cook this one up later this evening. All right, guys, we're back here at the camper. Gonna cook us up a little po' boy here. Let's get our oil in here. Get her lit. There she goes. We'll let her come up to heat, and we'll drop fish in there. All right, guys, our oil's up to heat. I just checked it. We got our little channel cat here. We'll drop her down in that grease. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Let that go just a few minutes, and we'll probably flip it because I don't have a whole lot in there. So I'll cook on both sides. We'll be back. Oh yeah, she's cooking good. I just got a little cornmeal, salt, and black pepper, and little cayenne pepper in there is what I got. Will be perfect. All right, guys, she's pretty well done. Let's get it taken off here, laid down on this paper towel, let that dry. So y'all can see she's golden brown, ready to go. So let's go inside and we'll dress these up on some bread. All right, guys, we're back. We're inside the camper here, so sorry about the lighting, it's not the best, but we got some toasted bun. We'll go over that. We'll lay our little channel cat down there. Just like that right there. Then we got fresh tomatoes, homegrown from the garden. Them will be really good. We'll go over top of that with a little lettuce. I don't like a whole lot of lettuce like some people do. About like it right there. And then hit it with a little salt and pepper. Not much, because I had salt and pepper in my batter, so it don't need a whole lot. Just a little bit, about like it right there. And then you go back over top of that with some of this remoulade sauce. This is some good stuff right here. This is what really makes this po' boy sandwich. You can make your own, but being that I'm in the camper, I really don't want to mess with that today. So that's pretty much my little recipe that I like to do right there. So that's some good eating. All right, guys, so there it is. So that's my little recipe. It's simple, it's easy, it's really, really good. So I got my boy Stacy from Bank Fishing Adventures keyed up over here on YouTube. He's got a catfish video I've had saved in my watch later list I've been wanting to watch. So figure what time to better watch catfish when you're eating catfish. So anyway, y'all try this po' boy recipe out when next time y'all catch you a good catfish. Thank y'all for watching.